Singles action is up next. You're not going to want to miss this. You don't want to miss it.
And a classic rivalry here. Ricky the Dragon Steamboat faces Ric Flair, the Nature Boy. The two have gone on to publicly state that the best matches of their careers were against each other. Ric Flair has been on something of a roll of late, and tonight he resumes old hostilities with the Dragon Ricky Steamboat. A classic match reenacted here in the fantasy universe. First out, the Dragon Ricky Steamboat, the forever face, as he likes to call himself, or I like to call him anyway. Not so long ago, Ricky Steamboat was my United States champion, and he held that belt with some distinction before being dethroned by Psychosis. Hasn't quite managed to rise up the ranks since then, but tonight hoping to do so at the expense of the Nature Boy, the legendary, the peerless Ric Flair. Woo, indeed! Here comes the Nature Boy to beat the man. To be the man, you have to beat the man. And here comes the man. Whoa. Steamboat not willing to wait here. Oh, Flair sees him coming now. Oh, and he goes straight after the Nature Boy. And again, he takes him out with an elbow to the face. Steamboat there gets a huge backdrop for his troubles, and Ric Flair, he's getting out of dodge. Oh, misses the clothesline there. And now Irish whip. Flair, and out goes Steamboat. The Nature Boy holding his own against Ricky the Dragon Steamboat here. The referee gets in the way.
Speed, the martial arts expertise,
and again, Steamboat undergoes, exchanging rights and lefts there. And Steamboat now, laying into the Nature Boy midsection there. Another Irish whip. Huge clothesline. Down goes Ric Flair. You would need a guy with glasses, would you? He's got the Nature Boy up now. Ric Flair works his way back down. Nails him. Woo! And again goes for the kick. And exchanging chops now. Steamboat. He's got Ric Flair now. Whoa! Pressure on the arm there and takes him down. And another kick there. Nature Boy taking some punishment here. Hasn't even been allowed to get out of his garb here. Nature Boy, he's taken some punishment. Takes Steamboat down. And another kick there. Huge chop there. Knife edge chopping again. Woo! Nature Boy holding his own. Time to get off the suit and get down to action. Now working on the leg. Steamboat in a bit of trouble here. Steamboat, of course, well aware of Ric Flair's penchant for that figure 4 leg lock. He tries to soften up the legs once again. Goes to the kick. And misses out there. Steamboat. Oh, he nails Flair there with the back suplex. And again, the Nature Boy in some trouble here. Huge punch to the face.
He's going to want to make sure this doesn't snowball out of control. Yeah, but it looks to me like he still has plenty of energy in that body.
Nails the man down.
Look too much into this right now. Yeah, but if you count him out now, guys, you'd be making a very
nice reversal there from Steamboat.
Somebody unleashed a vicious dragon out there.
And again, misses with the spin kicks. And again, oh, escaping again, reversal after reversal. Yeah, both guys. Whoa, he's missed him. And going for the figure four early here, Ricky Steamboat. Can he get it? He needs to get out of this quickly. Ricky Steamboat here in some trouble. Ric Flair, he knows he can put this match away right now if he can just keep Ricky Steamboat.
Ricky the Dragon
Steamboat here fighting hard. Oh, he's turned it around. He's turned it around. He's reversed it on Ric Flair.
He works his way out. A bit of a Houdini
Steamboat there. Oh, huge kick there.
Warm up the bus. This one is over.
And Ric Flair gets the shoulder up. My word, Ricky Steamboat there nearly took his head off.
Look at Ricky the Dragon Steamboat.
And now
his moves.
measuring his man here, Ricky Steamboat.
Now he's
nailed it.
Pain here.
Ricky Steamboat. He's nailed Flair. And the Nature Boy gets out again. Steamboat a little shocked there. And Ricky Steamboat now measuring the Nature Boy.
You can see the wear and tear that this fight is taking out of these men. Here we go. Oh my.
Two chops there. And the Dragon again. Taking it to Ric Flair again. Ricky the Dragon Steamboat trying to put Ric Flair away. The submission specialist could be made to submit here. And again escapes the clutch. Clothesline. Nails his man. Ric Flair now. Oh, went for the eyes. Steamboat saw him coming. Oh, he's nailed him again. Ricky the Dragon Steamboat there. Huge super kick. Ric Flair. Oh, and Flair gets the shoulder up. Again. Steamboat.
I'm not sure if it's the time for it.
Working on the arm now. This has been one back and forth matchup here. Ric Flair. He's going to have to work really hard if he wants to get past Ricky Steamboat here, who seems in determined mood to put the Nature Boy away.
Easy kick out there.
Kick off there, kick out. Oh, elbow to the head, the Nature Boy. Again. And Steamboat's relentless in the attack here. Nature Boy needs to get out of the ring here. And Ric Flair is in trouble. He is in trouble. Oh, up come the knees. Up come the knees. Oh, went for the slam there. And Flair reversed again. He's in a bit of trouble here, Ric Flair. Working on the trapezius muscles now. Oh, and a good combination, striking combination here. And Ric Flair, oh, he blocks it. And again, Ricky Steamboat reverses. Ric Flair can't seem to put his man away.
A minor miracle might be needed to overcome this beating.
And you can see now, Steamboat.
Over and over. This is relentless.
This could be it. This could be it. Oh, he's nailed him with the enziguri again.
Finish him off here.
And Ricky Steamboat, I think he's going to pick up the W.
Here's a cover. One.
Oh no, Ric Flair kicks out again.
How did he do that?
Somehow Ric Flair kicked out. And again, Ricky Steamboat's relentless, back on the arm. Oh, and you can see those arms taking some punishment now. Irish whoop here. To the outside goes the Nature Boy. And Ric Flair is in trouble. Oh, he switches that one around.
In WWE history. And no luck against Flair there.
Oh, and again, Ric Flair just can't seem to get the better of Steamboat today. Clothesline and down goes.
Well, nobody ever accused him of being too reserved.
You can see the Nature Boy goes up the top. Oh, gets nothing but knee there, the Nature Boy.
And no luck against Flair there.
And Flair going for the leg and again reversed.
His stamina can hold him.
Gets the leg this time.
Just a
Oh, nailed him there, Ric Flair. The dirtiest player in the game, the Nature Boy, going after his man again.
Ugly. You might want to turn away if you have a weak heart.
Oh, and Steamboat again, such a slippery customer.
Absolutely sudden.
And Flair here. Oh, nails him against the steel steps. Oh, and another combination here. Look at Steamboat go. Oh, nails him again. And again, Steamboat, those lethal weapons. Oh, damn, Ric Flair. My man.
Dangerously close to getting counted out. Definitely cutting it close, Michael. Here we go.
And now measuring him again.
Steamboat is in position. Now just bang.
Oh, nailed him on the back of the head there. Ric Flair is surely out.
Here he goes for the win.
No, he's not. No, he's not. Ric Flair kicks out again.
When this guy's on, look out.
Oh, nails his man down.
Ric Flair is good.
And Ric Flair now
This is not how the Dragon saw things.
gonna drop that pant to the big knee there. Oh, he's nailed the Steamboat, the Dragon. Ric Flair going for the cover.
This could be it.
He's got him.
Unreal performance.
Ricky, the Dragon Steamboat, defeated once again by the Nature Boy, Ric Flair.
Might go down as one of the best matches in
Sure, what a mess that was. He missed that kick a couple times, didn't he? Steamboat well aware of the repertoire of Flair, well aware of Steamboat's repertoire,
And again,
and for the most part avoided the danger moments. But he did take a couple massive hits, and for a while it looked as if Steamboat had this one won.
there's good.
But Flair just refused to stay down.
Unbelievable WWE action.
And another great match from Ricky the Dragon Steamboat.
Unbelievable kind.
Woo!
Here is your winner,
But the Nature Boy Ric Flair
They proved who the better competitor was.
walks out as victor here today.
That had to be inflicted in order for those shoulders to stay down for the 3 count. I couldn't agree more. What
The
an
Nature
amazing
Boy
contest that was.
taking in the applause of the crowd.
Uh-oh, this is the confrontation we've all
Now.
been waiting for.
Not done.
Setting him up for the
Oh, goes after the leg again.
Statement here with this attack.
The Nature Boy, he's got Steamboat right where he wants him. He's gonna drop that big knee again. Oh, he does. He does.
Game, set, match. This one is
And going for the figure 4 again now.
just ended.
As if the legs haven't taken enough punishment. There goes the Nature Boy,
This one
taking it to Steamboat. And I don't think we've seen the last of this confrontation. Steamboat and the Nature Boy resuming rivalries. Once again, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one.